Now, now that we are creating everything dynamic, let's create another thing in a dynamic way and move to the rest of it, because we have two other pages and this one is quick. Dynamic filter control. Charts are not the only things that we can apply a parameter to. Components like controls can also be made dynamic by the user parameter. So we saw in the controls session that we can have an advanced filter control, which basically we can have a starts with source, and we can put PAR, and it would be partners. Source starts with partners. It will do. But this is again the same table that we saw earlier. So the dimension that is applied to this control is not source, is the result of that case function. Again, this is an advanced control that allows the user select and filter based on whatever dimension that they would select. There is no medium starting with PAR, but with C maybe, CPC. Yeah, okay. So not only we can change the dimensions of charts and tables, we can change the dimensions assigned to a control. We can also change the dimensions assigned to a drop-down menu. So if it's medium, and let me remove this one because it's only controls filter control. This one was controlling this one. Now it shows me the list of mediums. If I change it to countries, the drop-down shows me the list of countries, because drop-down doesn't have a fixed dimension. It has the result of this case function as the dimension. So you can create complete exploration interface and make it as complicated as you want.